Namaskar children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Standard 2. We are going to study different subjects with many interesting topics. Let us begin with English today. Look, this is your colorful English Bal Bharti textbook. Now, let us see some pictures. Look at this picture. What do you see? This is a boat. Where do we find a boat? Yes, we find a boat in the river. Wow, look at this picture. This is a ship. We can see ships in the sea. Passengers travel in boats and ships. Passengers means the people who travel in cars, trains, or in other vehicles. Children, look at these pictures. These are the pictures of India's biggest warship, and it is called INS Vikramaditya. INS means Indian Naval Ship. This is a very special ship that our country has because it can carry over 30 fighter planes, meaning aeroplanes that are used during the war time. Have you seen this before? This is a bridge. What is a bridge? A bridge is a path built over rivers, roads that allows people to travel across the place. Today we are going to learn the poem Bridge. Poem 1, Unit 1, Bridge by Christina Rossetti. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Now we have to see what the poet is saying in this poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. As boats are small, they sail on the rivers. Sail means traveling on water in a boat or in a ship. The next line tells us, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. It says that the clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful than the boats and ships. Here, clouds that sail means clouds are moving across the sky. The next line says, there are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. It is telling us that there are bridges which are used to go from one side of the river to the other side are also pretty. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. Here, the poet is telling us that a bow that is a rainbow bridges heaven. Heaven means sky. The rainbow is like a bridge in the sky going above the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. The poet feels that the rainbow is the prettiest bridge joining the earth to the sky. I'm sure you have enjoyed the poem. You all know there are 7 colors in the rainbow. How do you remember the color of the rainbow? Observe the first letter of all the name of the colors. This is violet. V is the first letter. This is indigo. I is the first letter. This is blue. B is the first letter. This is green. G is the first letter. This is yellow. Y is the first letter. Orange. O is the first letter. Red. R is the first letter. Let us read the first letters of the colors again. V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. That is Vidgyor. So children, learn the poem and stay home, stay safe.